But I would like to upgrade to one of those Phoenix, what are they, LD20s? And if anybody's interested, you got an LD20 with a wand, or new one or fairly new one, and you'd like to trade it for a discount coupon at Benchmade Knives, say maybe 50% off, give me a holler. 50% off of any purchase, any knife purchase. E-Trex. This has been a good little GPS receiver. Been very dependable. I can usually get a signal even in deep woods with this without, doesn't have one of those external antennas or anything, but it's the little yellow E-Trex. Dependable little unit. Here's one of the reasons. Well, I'm skipping ahead of myself, but screwdriver. This is one of those 6-in-1 tools. It's got 4 different screwdriver bits and 2 different hex nut attachments. I carry this power assist, not because of the blade that comes with it. There's the serrated side. This is a great multi-tool. The only thing about multi-tools is I have all of these. I have all of these attachments, except for that little hook there. So I have the can opener, the Phillips bit, the screwdrivers. I have all of these somewhere in my EDC. I really don't need this stuff. I am going to upgrade this and put a saw in here. This is why I got the SOG Power Assist. Right here. For those pliers, because these pliers have twice the compression that the other leading ones do. Like Leatherman. These things squeeze twice as hard. And that's why I got the SOG Power Assist. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. A little plastic bag full of American flag stickers. And I'll put those little bad boys everywhere. Okay, let's go with this inner compartment now. Small towel. Tarp. I think that's a 6x9. Fingerless Wellington gloves. Self-explanatory. Here's the camera that I usually use in the field. This is the Sony SR85, and it has an internal 60 gigabyte hard drive with night vision capabilities, and it's 2.7-inch touch. Here's my little survival kit. It has the very basics. Has the signaling mirror. You guys all recognize that. Also has, this is the Strike Force fire starter. This is an emergency whistle, and you guys have seen these. You got the little magnifying glass on it, the whistle, the little thermometer, and it blows pretty loud. It's got a little compass built into it. Measuring tape. You just never know when you need one of those. More paracord. Can't ever have enough paracord. Bandana. I don't need to elaborate on that. A little business card holder. You guys recognize this? This is my BK2. I love this knife. Love it. This is the Janus pouch you get from Maxpedition. Inside the Janus pouch, I carry one 2-meter radio, one 2-meter radio antenna. I think that's all I have in here for right now. This little bad boy is the Yaesu VX 172 meter. It has every emergency frequency in Carter County, so I can do direct MCOM with anybody I need to talk to. That's emergency communications. It's 7 watts, waterproof, and this thing's seen 4 tornadoes so far, I think. The last one was an EF4, which is about 200 yards away from me. So, it's a good little radio right there. Very dependable. What else have I got in here? I don't know what this is, but I like it. I think it's like a security for a sliding glass door. But I thought I can use that for something. And when I figure out what that something is, I'll use it. Hey, tape, more tape in several different colors. Electric tape, that's masking tape, green electric tape. These are blaze orange streamers, and then more duct tape, and more duct tape. A little bit of sandpaper, never know when you might need that. Let's see what else we got in here. Maxpedition organizer. I keep a checkbook and some NRA materials in there, you know, some wipes for my lenses, and some more Maxpedition stuff. There's your little knife tool, multi-screwdriver, blah blah blah. You guys know what all that stuff is. But this has been really handy. Carry it everywhere. That's it for that side. Camera's fairly new, so I'm still carrying around the manual. These are, well, this is a little project I'm working on, but these are chopsticks. And what I've done is actually made, I don't know if you can see those notches, but I made a figure 4 deadfall with these. Brought some extra ones so I can refine my method there. And let's see. Okay. This is my emergency first aid kit. Got some insect repellent there, and in this deal I've got some chapstick, Neosporin, a lip balm, and then the main kit I keep right there. And you guys have seen me use this in another video. Just some basic carry-all stuff I need for cut fingers, burns, stings, bites, blah blah blah. What else have I got in here? Napkins, toilet paper, etc. Trash bag. I like to, when I'm in an area, a wooded area, and it's pretty pristine, I like to keep it that way. And if I run into trash, I can pick it up and carry it out.